Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to view the e-invoice report in TallyPrime, review transaction statuses, and take the necessary actions. Press Alt-G and select e-invoice. By default, the report opens for the last 3 dates from the latest e-invoice applicable voucher entry date. The sections displayed in the report depend on the vouchers available for the current period. You can drill down from any section to view the underlying transactions and their details. Let's start with uncertain transactions, corrections needed. Drill down to view vouchers with incomplete or missing mandatory information for the current period. As you can see, the transaction exceptions are listed. Select a transaction and drill down further to make the required changes in the accounting voucher alteration screen. Now, let's look at the sections under the invalid or missing information. Select the required section and drill down further to review the exceptions for each transaction. Select a transaction and update the required information such as party or registration details in the relevant screen. If you want to update the information related to one party, press F8 to view the report party-wise and resolve the exceptions. Once the exceptions are resolved, the transactions are removed from the uncertain transactions, corrections needed section and moved to the relevant sections. Next, drill down from pending for e-invoice generation to view transactions awaiting e-invoice exchange. If you already have e-invoice details and want to manually update them for a transaction, press Alt-B. In the Update e-invoice details screen, you can view the voucher number and voucher date. Enter the UUID, which is the Unique Invoice Reference Number. Then, enter the date of exchange and the time of exchange. Once e-invoice details are updated, the transaction moves to the e-invoice manually updated section. If you do not want a transaction to be considered for e-invoice generation, press Alt-H to exclude the voucher. The transaction then moves to the User Excluded Transactions section. Since invoice upload is currently not supported, the Get e-invoice details option will not retrieve invoice status from the e-invoice system. However, you can use the e-invoice report to review the transactions that require attention, resolve exceptions, and manually update e-invoice details. Thank you. On any screen in TallyPrime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.